Hi everyone, see in this problem. Here one circuit is given. In the circuit, how can you find the voltage VAB across A and B node? So here three voltage sources are there, 20 volts, 30 volts and 10 volts. How can you find the voltage VAB? This is the problem. So here the current direction given like this. So it is nothing but it is like this. So first of all apply the KVL, then we get current value. So how can you apply means KVL? So sum of all voltages in a loop equal to 0. So by using this equation, we are going to write as, so here the current was from minus to plus in 20 volts. So let consider it is minus 20 plus, and voltage in 8 ohms is 8 into I, and current action in 30 volts is minus to plus. So take as minus 30 plus 2I plus 10. So here current action is plus to minus. That's why I take plus 10. That's equal to 0. By simplifying this we get minus 20 minus 30 plus 10 nothing but minus 40, and it will be plus 10I. That's equal to 0. From this we get I equal to 4 amperes. But here we want voltage VAB. So that is a voltage existing 2 ohm resistor and 10 volt source. So it can be written as 2 into I, that is voltage in 2 ohms plus 10 volts. Nothing but 4 amperes is the current. Now substitute here. So then we get 8 plus 10, nothing but 18 volts. This is the VAB value. So from the options, option D is the correct option. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.